Hi guys, welcome in, welcome back. We're doing a collab video on chicken wings, and I decided to do Korean chicken wings, right? And here's our ingredients real quick. We got honey, we got gochujang, right? We got light soy sauce, we got rice wine vinegar, we got brown sugar, and I got some chicken bouillon, right? And guys, we're gonna put this all together, and I'm gonna leave a link below, and I'll run it across the screen here of all the guys that's taking part in the collab. I'll be right back. All right guys, so we're gonna season up this chicken because you know the real star is the sauce in the Korean fried chicken. The sauce is the real star. So I'm just gonna put some of this chicken bouillon, right? Just put this on top of here, and we're gonna mix this in, and we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes just to add a little bit of flavor to our chicken. A little bit more chickeny flavor. That makes sense. All of this a nice mix. And we're just gonna let this sit for like, I guess 15 minutes or so while the oil heats up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start making the sauce. I'll be right back. All right guys, I forgot to show it in the beginning, but one of the most important things here is cornstarch to put on our chicken wings. So I'm gonna go in probably with about, I'm gonna say that's probably about a cup, maybe a cup and a half. Hey guys, and I got some salt, table salt. I'm just gonna go in with just a little bit of table salt, just for a little bit of flavor, and that's it. I'd say that's probably about a half a teaspoon. And then we're just gonna give this a quick mix. And then we're gonna go in with our chicken wings. And 3 chicken wings. Go in with our top. Give this a nice shake. All right, and then put our chicken wings on the side here. And we're gonna just continue to do that to all of us with our chicken wings, and then I'll bring you back when we get ready to fry. All right guys, so we're gonna move on to our sauce. We're going in with 2 heaping tablespoons of this Gochujang hot pepper sauce. I think I already measured this out, so get all of that in there. Then we got 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna say that's 1, 2. Well, let's get 3 out of this bottle. And that's 3. Okay, and then we got our brown sugar. And that's it guys, we're gonna give this a nice mix. All right guys, so that's our sauce. All right guys, so now it's time to fry our chicken wings, right? Our oil is at 350 degrees, and down we go with our chicken wings. And we're gonna do a double fry method. So we're basically gonna blanch these chicken wings. And we're gonna cook them like halfway. Then we'll pull them out. All right guys, it's been about 5 minutes now. So our chicken wings look like this. And they're nowhere near fully cooked, right? They don't even look good. But I'm gonna pull these off and let them sit for a minute or 2. And then we'll dump them in again. And once I get these all out of here, I'll be right back. All right guys, it's been about 3 minutes now, and our oil is up to 350. And we're going back in with the chicken wings till they're nice and golden brown. All right guys, so our chicken wings are pretty much done. You see how they're floating, right? And I just checked the temperature, they're like 190 each. So I'm gonna pull these out. Here we go. Now, I don't know if I did these wrong, but I'm gonna check this out in a minute, but it looks a little white, right? But it's brown at the same time. We're gonna pull these off. All right, guys, so our chicken wings are done. And now it's time to, I guess, sauce them up, right? I'm gonna do 3. I'll do 3 for now. And guys, I did pop our sauce in the microwave for like 2 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this on. Just gonna paint it on. I would dip it, but I'm not gonna use all this sauce at the same time. Hey, what the? Right, let's just go ahead and pour some on. All right, guys, and there's our plate of the wings. Let me bring you guys in a little closer. There we go. We got 3 wings. Now, I'm gonna probably add some French fries to this. One of these wings. Hear that? How crispy that is? Are you a flats or a drum person? Don't matter to me. Guys, these are good. I just gotta get a pair. Guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.